Convincing someone to hire a professional electrician, especially when they are inclined to do the work themselves, can be challenging. However, focusing on safety, legal implications, complexity, and long-term financial benefits can be effective. Firstly, emphasize the safety and legal implications. Explain that electrical work for business establishments is strictly regulated for safety and insurance purposes. Wiring in a commercial setting, even if it's in a home, is different from residential wiring and needs to meet specific code requirements. Inform them that unauthorized electrical work can void their insurance and endanger their customers and family. If something goes wrong, the insurance company may not cover any damages or liabilities because the work wasn't done by a licensed professional and didn't meet the required standards. State that you are bound by professional ethics and potentially legal requirements to report any known violations of electrical codes. As someone working in the electrical field, you have a responsibility to ensure that electrical work is done safely and correctly. Secondly, highlight the complexity and specialized nature of the work. Explain that wiring a hair salon involves complex considerations such as power distribution, ventilation, and ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI protection. Hair salons typically have high power demands due to equipment like hair dryers, styling tools, and water heaters. These require careful planning of circuits and load calculations to avoid overloading the electrical system. Emphasize that the code book alone is not sufficient to ensure proper wiring and safety. While having a code book is helpful, it doesn't provide the practical experience and understanding needed to apply the codes correctly. There are nuances and interpretations that come with experience. Suggest that they consult with an experienced electrician to assess the requirements and provide guidance. A professional electrician can evaluate the specific needs of the hair salon, identify potential issues, and ensure that the wiring is done safely and in compliance with local codes. Thirdly, offer a referral or introduce them to an electrician. Offer to provide them with a referral to a reputable electrician who can assist them with the project. Recommending someone you trust can help them feel more comfortable with the idea of hiring a professional. Suggest that they reach out to an electrician for a consultation to discuss their needs and obtain a professional opinion. Many electricians offer free or low-cost consultations to assess the scope of the work and provide an estimate. Explain that the electrician can help them understand the requirements and address any concerns they may have. This consultation can clarify what's involved, the costs and the benefits of professional installation. Fourthly, emphasize the financial benefits of hiring a professional. Explain that while hiring an electrician may cost more upfront, it can save them money in the long run by preventing costly mistakes or accidents. Incorrect wiring can lead to electrical fires, equipment damage, and other costly problems. Discuss the potential impact on their insurance premiums if any electrical issues arise from unauthorized work. Insurance companies may increase premiums or deny coverage if they discover that the electrical work was not done by a licensed professional. Fifthly, address their concerns sensitively. Acknowledge their desire to save money and maintain autonomy. Show that you understand their motivation for wanting to do the work themselves. Explain that you understand their perspective but emphasize that safety and compliance are paramount. Remind them that the safety of their family, customers, and the building is the most important consideration. Offer to help them find cost-effective solutions that meet the regulatory requirements. Look for ways to reduce costs without compromising safety, such as getting multiple quotes or phasing the work. 6. Follow up and document. Follow up with your coworker to ensure they are taking appropriate steps. Show your continued concern and offer support. If they insist on doing the work themselves, document your concerns in writing and provide them with a copy. This will protect you from any potential liability if something goes wrong. Be specific about the risks you foresee and the reasons why professional help is needed. Remember to approach the conversation with empathy and understanding, focusing on the benefits of hiring a professional electrician in terms of safety, compliance, and long-term cost savings.